Hello, in today's video I will show you limit the number of checkbox that can be selected, and I have shown in the earlier video how to add multiple checkbox value to database. If you have not seen that video, then you can watch that video by clicking on the eye icon above. Write a code after from. JavaScript code to limit the number of checkbox that can be selected. Skip tag open and close. Here checkbox equal to document dot get element by name. Here pass this name, copy and paste. Here limit equal to 2. That means more than 2 value do not save the database. For where I equal to 0, I less than checkbox dot length. Checkbox, copy this variable checkbox dot length and I plus plus. Checkbox I dot on click equal to function. Now here check count equal to document dot query selector all. Query selector all. Input name equal to color check dot length. If check count greater than equal to limit for where j equal to 0, j less than checkbox dot length copy J plus plus. If this checkbox not equal to J dot check, checkbox J dot disable equal to true. Else for var j equal to 0, j less than checkbox length, copy this line, okay, paste here, and checkbox j dot disable equal to false. Save. The red, green and blue checkbox is disable and submit. This is the database. Reload the database. Red and green is saved in the database. The same as green and blue. Then red checkbox is disable. This way you can limit the number of checkbox that can be selected. Thank you.